If you wonder what to serve during the hot summer evenings for your guests, consider red beet vegetable cold soup. Hi, this is Mariola from Artisan Kitchen, and today we are going to learn how to make this wonderful vegetable option that will cool even the hottest day. Of course, the hero of that soup is the beet, not just the roots, but also the leaves. You can add the usual vegetables that you use for a vegetable soup. So my favorite are carrots. For this recipe, I used young carrots that are now available at the farmer's market. I often use leeks instead of onions in my soups. Such a great option, so delicate and so tasty. At the farmer's market, I found new potatoes. They are tender and yet solid. Wonderful addition to this great soup. You can use any other vegetables that you have on hand. Chop all of them up and put them in the water to start simmering. I often add thyme or French tarragon or parsley or all of the above. It's just such a wonderful way to put the garden into the pot of soup. Of course, you need to spice it up with some salt, maybe allspice berries, maybe garlic if that's your thing, and maybe some hot peppers. Let it all simmer very slowly, no boiling, for maybe an hour. I usually leave it for about an hour and a half to 2 hours until all of the vegetables are soft. Now let the soup cool and then put it in a food processor until it is this kind of consistency. Nice and smooth, but you can tell it's a soup. Now you can add about 2 cups of buttermilk or 1 cup of buttermilk and 1 cup of good yogurt. Mix the buttermilk and yogurt mixture into the soup. Cut very finely some fresh dill and add it to the soup. I want to say about half a cup. Be generous. It'll smell up the kitchen and make soup taste even better. Add 2 cucumbers that are fresh, peeled, and sliced finely. You can also chop them up as fine as you can. Hopefully you have on hand few hard-boiled eggs. I would use half of the hard-boiled egg per person that is being served. So use your judgment. After you boil them, quarter them, and throw them in a soup right before serving. Your soup is now ready to be served. Pour it in a dish, decorated with eggs, chunks of beets, and some dill. You can serve it with bread or without. It's really up to you. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you are going to make this recipe and leave me a comment how it went. Hope to see you next week. Please subscribe to our channel and check us out online, artisankitchen.online. Thanks.